In order to know how to save and how much to save, it's really important that we track our spending. Know exactly what are you spending your money on and track it for 3 to 6 months so you can build up a really clear picture of where your money is going. Then track your spending for 30 days. Every day, write down how much money you've spent on what you've spent that money. And then you can go back and you can kind of go, wow, I could have saved a whole $120 or whatever it is, or $60 towards my goal if I hadn't done this. That would get me so much closer to where I want to be. So see if you can identify where you are a little bit loose around the edges with your money and how you can turn that to your advantage. How can you take those loose throwaway dollars and then turn them into something quite substantial that you can put aside for you to be able to reach your goals? It's amazing what you can do with $50 a week. Very quickly, you will have saved up $1,000 or more. So think about what it is that you're doing with those throwaway dollars that we had. And we all need those. We all need some of that discretionary spending that we can just go and blow on a coffee with a friend, but we don't need to do it all the time. And if we only did that once out of every 4 or 5 times, imagine the money that you would save towards those things that you really, really want to achieve in life. It's actually not that hard. It just takes a little bit of discipline.